Hi friends, welcome to GD Last Days. நம்ம இன்னைக்கு பார்க்க போற டாபிக் CrPC Section தான் பார்க்க போறோம். நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி வீடியோல பார்த்த மாதிரி டோட்டல் செக்ஷன்ஸ் 484 செக்ஷன்ஸ் இருக்கு CrPCல. சாப்டர் வந்துட்டு 37, ஷெட்யூல் 2, ஃபார்ம் 56. நம்ம இன்னைக்கு வீடியோவில் 1 to 100 வரைக்கும் CrPC செக்ஷன்ஸ் தான் பார்க்க போறோம். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ள போகலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சாப்டர் 1, செக்ஷன் 1, short title, extent and commencement. Section 2, definitions. Section 3, construction of reference. Section 4, trial of offence under the Indian Penal Code and other laws. Section 5, saving. Next is chapter 2. Section 6, class of criminal court. Section 7, territorial divisions. Section 8, metropolitan areas. Section 9, court of session. Section 10, subordination of assistant session judges. Section 11, court of judicial magistrate. Section 12, chief judicial magistrate and additional chief judicial magistrate, etc. Section 13, special judicial magistrate. Section 14, local jurisdiction of judicial magistrate. Section 15, subordination of judicial magistrate. Section 16, court of metropolitan magistrate. Section 17, chief metropolitan magistrate and additional chief metropolitan magistrate. Section 18, special metropolitan magistrate. Section 19, subordination of metropolitan magistrate. Section 20, executive magistrate. Section 21, special executive magistrates. Section 22, local jurisdiction of executive magistrates. Section 23, subordination of executive magistrates. Section 24, public prosecutors. Section 25, assistant public prosecutors. Section 25A, director of prosecution. Next is chapter 3, section 26, court by which offences are triple. Section 27, jurisdiction in the case of juveniles. Section 28, sentence which high courts and session judges may pass CrPC. Section 29, Section 29, sentence which magistrate may pass. Section 30, sentence of imprisonment in default of fine. Section 31, sentence in case of conviction of several offences at one trial. Section 32, mode of conferring powers. Section 33, power of officers appointed. Section 34, withdrawal of powers. Section 35, powers of judges and magistrates exercisable by their successor in office. Next is chapter 15. Next is chapter 4, section 34, powers of superior officer of police. Section 37, public when to assist magistrates and police. Section 38, aid to person other than police officer executing warrant. Section 39, public to give information of certain offences. Section 40, duty of officers employed in connection with the affairs of. Next chapter 5, section 41, when police may arrest without warrant. Section 42, arrest on refusal to give name and residence. Section 43, arrest by private person and produce on such arrests. Section 44, arrest by magistrate. Section 45, protection of members of the armed force from arrest. Section 46, arrest how made. Section 47, search of place entered by persons to be arrested. Section 48, pursuit of offenders in other jurisdictions. Section 49, no unnecessary restraint. Section 50, person arrested to be informed of grounds of arrest and of rights to bail. Section 50A, obligation of person making arrest to inform about the arrest, etc. to an nominated person. Section 51, search of arrest persons. Section 52, power to seize offensive weapons. Section 53, examination of accused by medical petitioner at the request of police officer. Section 53A, examination of person accused of rape by medical petitioner. Section 54, examination of arrested person by medical petitioner at the request of the arrested person. Section 54A, identification of person arrested. Section 55, producer when police officer deputes subordinate to arrest without warrant. Section 56, person arrested to be taken before magistrate or officer in charge of police station. Section 57, person arrested not to be detained more than 24 hours. Section 58, police to report apprehensions. Section 59, discharge of person apprehended. Section 60, power on escape to pursue and retake. Next, chapter 6, section 61, form of summons. Section 62, summons how served. Section 63, service of summons on corporate bodies and societies. Section 64, service when person unsummoned cannot be found. Section 65, producer when service cannot be effected as before provided. Section 66, service on government servant. Section 67, service of summons outside local limits. Section 68, proof of service in such cases and when serving officer not present. Section 69, service of summons on witness by post. Section 70, form of warrant of arrest and duration. Section 71, power to direct security to be taken. Section 72, warrants to whom directed. Section 73, warrant may be directed to any person. Section 74, warrant directed to police officer. Section 75, notification of substance of warrant. Section 76, person arrested to be brought before court without delay. Section 77, where warrant may be executed. Section 78, warrant forwarded for execution outside jurisdiction. Section 79, warrant directed by to police officer for execution outside jurisdiction. Section 80, produce of arrest of person against whom warrant issued. Section 81, producer by magistrate before whom such person arrested in brought. Section 82, proclamation of for person absconding. Section 83, attachment of property of person absconding. Section 84, claims and objections to attachment. Section 85, release, sale and restoration of attached property. Section 84, appeal from order rejecting application for restoration of attached property. Section 87, issue of warrant in lieu of or in addition to summons. Section 88, power to take bond for appearance. Section 89, arrest on breach of bond for appearance. Section 90, provisions of this chapter generally applicable to summons and warrants of arrest. Next, chapter 7, Section 91 summons to produce document or other thing. Section 92 produce as to letter and telegrams. Section 93 when search warrant may be issued. Section 94 search of place suspected to contain stolen property, forget documents, etc. Section 95 power to declare certain publications forfeited to issue search warrant for the same. Section 96 application High Court to set aside declaration of forfeiture. Section 97 search for person wrongfully confined. Section 98 power to compel restraint of abducted females. Section 99 direction etc. of such warrant. Section 100 person in charge of close to place to all allow searches. அவ்வளோதான். சிஆர்பிசியில் 1 to 100 வரைக்கும் இந்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்குறோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் இதை கண்டினியூ பண்ணலாம். இதை பற்றின உங்களுக்கு டீட்டெயில்ஸ் டெஃபினேஷன் வேணும்னா கமெண்ட் பாக்ஸில் கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் வந்து ஒரு செக்ஷனுக்கும் என்னென்ன டெஃபினேஷன்றதை கிளியராக பார்க்கலாம். வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் பெல்லை கிளிக் பண்ணி வச்சுங்க. தேங்க்யூ. கீப் சப்போர்ட்டிங். ஹாய் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்.